Hello everybody, today is Friday, September 9th. It's 4:01 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can see my computer clock here, the time and date. The regular session has just closed about a minute ago after a significant sell-off in the ES on fear of raising interest rates and the bond market collapsing. So just going to bring over the time and sales. The market closing on its lows, an extreme down day. Advancing and declining issues today were approximately 20 to 1, which is about one of the lowest I've ever seen. Before I go any further, first the required disclaimer. Okay, quite a day for the auto trader today. We can see the time and sales here a couple of minutes after the close. Market closing on its lows. The first chart is the E-mini S&P. Started off with a loser and didn't take this trade till late in the day, but made up for it and did 325 on two contracts and just closed here. This was the closing bell, the market continuing to sell off here. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on a 1-minute line break chart, and this had a spectacular short trade, good for 24 points after the first hour of trading, and this did 1687.50 for the day on two contracts. Quite a high return for the E-mini S&P. Okay, next up is the NASDAQ on the Superenco 10 tick, and I believe this may have hit its goal here. No, shy of its goal, but still a respectable performance of 14.95 for the day. A succession of short trades. Next up is the crude oil on the Superenco 6 tick. This did 410 for the day, a modest performance here. Okay, next up is the Japanese yen futures, which did 1350 for the day. This is using our line break algorithm on the Renko bars. You can see the line break signals here and the resulting trades. So pretty solid performance on the Japanese yen futures. Next up, we have the crude oil on a 10-second line break chart. This did 870 for the day, pretty respectable performance on two contracts. Next up is the NASDAQ on a 34-second line break chart, and this did 1065 for the day, shy of its goal, but still solid performance here. Next up is the crude oil on the Precision Renko that trades 24/7. This is currently short from 45.91. Market trading now at 45.69. So it's up 420 in real time on two contracts, and the close P&L for the day was 620. So this had an equity high of about 1,300 here, and then had a couple of losers back to back here, and it looks like it's recovering some of that. Okay, next up is the E-mini S&P on the Superenco 6 tick. This starts trading at 12:30 noon, and this did 437.50 for the day with this really nice short trade at the end here. This was good for 12 points and made up for a little bit of back and forth here, but still really good performance. That's almost 10 points in the E-mini S&P. That's all for today's video. If you'd like to find out more, please visit our website or send us an email to systems@bluewavetrading.com. Thanks for watching today.